that is what makes integration extremely relevant in today's day and age. And it also makes integration extremely central to all things agentic.
Mm-hmm.
So while agents and the underlying models themselves, the underlying generative models themselves will do analysis based on historical data that is it has been fed with, they often would end up in situations where the historical analysis would need to be fed with real-time insights. And that's where the real-time insights part, powered by integration, is going to marry closely together with the wider agentic landscape. What's also, so that's part one of how the traditional integration world
Mm-hmm.
influences the agentic, where we have also seeing a lot of energy being put in, and this has been one of our largest conversation points with the customers is, okay, you're bringing data into the agents, but there is no such thing as a single agent. There would not be a thing as a single agent. When you see systems like Workday, for
Mm-hmm.
example, Workday will have its own set of agents doing Workday agent stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And you will see things like, HCM will have its own set of agent stuff. You are starting to see in the industry an evolving need for these specialized agents to talk to each other as well. And that surfaces a new opportunity for organizations like MuleSoft to be integration not only between data repositories and agents, but also agents and agents. And that's a unique need that I think a vast majority of our customers have been asking us about is
Mm-hmm.
not only how do you bring data to my agent's source of truth, but how do you essentially bring agents together themselves effectively in a way that your data lineage is maintained and your data consistency is maintained, and you're also able to audit, log, and trace, and also source